You have already seen that the equation y is equal to integral of f of x has many solutions, each differing from the other by a constant. This means that the graphs of any two antiderivatives or integrals of f are vertical translations of each other. For example, the given figure shows the graphs of several integrals of the form y is equal to integral of 3x squared minus 1 with respect to x is equal to x cubed minus x plus c for various integer values of c. This is our general solution. Each of these antiderivatives or integral is a solution of the differential equation dy over dx is equal to 3x squared minus 1. In many applications of integration, you are given enough information to determine a particular solution. To do this, you need only know the value of y is equal to capital F of x for one value of x. This information is called an initial condition. For example, in the given figure, only one curve passes through the point 2, 4. To find this curve, you can use the general solution f of x is equal to x cubed minus x plus c and the initial condition f of 2 equals 4. By using the initial condition in the general solution, you can determine that f of 2 equals 8 minus 2 plus c equals 4, which implies that c is equal to minus 2. So you obtain f of x equals x cubed minus x minus 2. This is our particular solution. So this is how you can find particular solution given initial condition and by finding general solution. Thanks for watching.